Hello everyone, I am Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphologymadesimple, and in this video we are learning about letter S. Letter S can help us know about letters patience level. There are some letters who have very good patience level. There are some letters who don't have it. While there are some letters who talk about showing sympathy, while other writers don't actually show it. There are some letters who do both. So with the help of letter S, you can get to know who actually shows sympathy and who just talk about it. So let's get started. Now here you can observe that angle is present. Angle indicates analytical mind. So let's say this writer has ordered something from Amazon. This writer will keep tracking about it, oh where my order has came, etc. Instead of just having patience at their home, they'll keep tracking the order. Right? So they're very analytical and they have patience, yet they are analytical. So they don't have calm, smooth patience level, we can say. These other writers are very impatient, so they want things in a much more faster manner than what reality is. So let's say they order something from Amazon, and it is saying that it's going to be 7 days until that product arrives. But this writer will keep tracking the order and keep thinking that no, it is going to come show up tomorrow or day after tomorrow, in 2 days, etc. Right? So they are very impatient, which is not good. And these writer have desire for responsibility, so that doesn't mean that they're very responsible. They just have desire that I need to be a leader, I need to take responsibility. Okay, along with that, these writers also takes more time to actually get what they want, as the extra curve is present, so they take more time to actually get what they want. They have patience level, yes. Loop at the bottom, these are the writers who want more of what they have got. So let's say they order something from Amazon. Yes, they have good patience level, yet once they receive the product, they'll open it and keep thinking, oh, I should have received it in a much more good quality or etc. So they'll keep thinking about it, that the product could have been more better than what they have got. So many negotiators or people who bargain a lot, they have this type of as they believe that they should receive more than what they have got, right? So they're not satisfied with what they have got. That's why they keep negotiating with other person or keep bargaining. So if you want to be a good negotiator, then this type of S can help you. Okay, big gap at the top. These are the writers who talk about showing sympathy, yet in reality they don't actually show it. Okay, while here the bottom is having claw. So these are the writers who talk about showing sympathy, yet when the time comes about doing so, that time they are going to cheat the other people or whatever or whoever they have promised about showing sympathy about. Right? So they may say, I will show you sympathy if you elect me if you elect me as your president or whatever it is. After once they get elected, they cheat other people, which is not good. The half loop present at the start. These are the writers who have good patience level, yet they believe that they need to do something extra in order to get what they want. So instead of waiting at their doorstep for the order to show up, they will go outside their home and will try call that particular delivery boy and tell them that I am here, kindly deliver it here, or I will don't you don't come at my home, I will come to you. So they believe that they need to do something extra in order to get what they want, which is not needed, right? These are the writers who are like snakes. So again, these writers can cheat others and they are very cunning. You may not find this type of S. Okay, I have just added it. These are the writers who have digestion problem, right? This S is also one of the S which is not found much, yet you need to learn, right? These are the writers who have digestion problem in their body. Now smooth S. So as you can observe, both the loop are of same size. If you see, both the loop are of same size. There is no extra loop, no extra anything. So these are the writers who talk about showing sympathy, yet they also show it. Okay, so they have same level of talking and showing sympathy. They have good patience level as well. So they if they order something from Amazon, then they believe that it is going to one day show up at their doorstep. So they are not going to be analytical about it. They are not going to be someone who goes outside and keep thinking about do extra effort to get what they want. They're just going to stay at their home and believe that whatever they are manifesting or whatever they have done is going to show up in their home or in their life. Okay, so they have overall good patience level. Here you can observe that the upper one is small and the lower gap is bigger. These are the writers who are more mature, so they talk less about showing sympathy, yet they actually show it. Again, these writers have same quality as this one. They are also patient. They have very good patience level and are not analytical. Yet the difference is only this, that this writer talk less and show more sympathy. Okay, that's the difference, and that's why these writers are more mature as compared to these people. So that's all for letter S. I believe you learned something new. Letter S is one of the interesting letter in graphology. and one of the important letter in graphology. So to learn about this letter, mostly you will find this type of S, this type of S, this type of S. Some people even have even this type of S. Okay, some people even have S like this, like here, and sometimes the top is having angle and bottom is rounded. These are the letters where the start are very, let's say at the start are very calm and cool, yet later they become analytical. These letters are someone who at the start are very analytical, yet later they become calm and cool and patient, right? That's the difference. So again, that's all for letter S. I believe you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning, let's keep growing.